Welcome back to Social Science class. I am your Naveen. In today's class of grade 9, we are going to talk on fundamental duties of Indian citizen. What are fundamental duties? We can say fundamental duties are defined as the moral obligation of all citizens to help promote a spirit of patriotism and to uphold the unity of India. This dispute set up in the part of 4A of the Constitution. They are held by Supreme Court to be obligation of all citizens. The fundamental duties were included in the Constitution by 42nd Amendment, which has done in the year of 1976. It incorporated in fundamental duties by inserting new articles, that is 51A below the Article 51, which belongs to Part 4A. The recommendation were passed in the year of 1976 and came into effect on 3rd January 1977. Originally 10 in number, the fundamental duties were increased 11 by 86th Amendment in the year of 2002. These duties were meant to bring our constitution in line with the Universal Declaration of Human Rights and the constitutions of Japan, China, and USSR. It was adapted on the recommendation of Swarn Singh Committee. Duties. What are the duties of Indian citizens, we can tell? So, fundamental duties of every citizens of India, according to the Constitution, are citizens should be abide by the government, abide by the Constitution, and respect its ideals and institution, the national flag and the national anthem, to cherish and follow the noble ideas which inspired our national struggle for freedom, to uphold and protect the sovereignty, unity, and integrity of India, to defend the country and render national service when called upon to do so, to promote harmony and spirit of common brotherhood among all the people of India, transcending religious, linguistic, regional, or sectoral diversity, to renounce the practice derogatory to the dignity of woman. To value the preserves and the rich heritage or composite culture, protect and improve the national natural environment includes forests, lakes, rivers, and wildlife, and to have compassion of living creatures, to develop scientific temper, humanism, and the spirit of inquiry and reform, to safeguard public property, to strive towards excellence in all spheres of individual and collective activity, so that the nation constantly rise to higher levels and endure and achievement, who is a parent or guardian to provide opportunity for education to his child, or as the case may be, ward between the age 6 and 14 years. What is the importance of our fundamental duties? One, environmental pollution has become a great cause of concern. These duties remind us to keep our environment free from pollutants. The inclusion of providing opportunity for education for children as a fundamental duty is a big step forward towards the safeguard of human rights and abolition of social injustice. The section fundamental duties was not a part of original constitution. These were added constitution much later. The idea behind incorporation of fundamental duties was to remind the citizen of a country that they have certain obligation towards the country and society. The three most important items of list the fundamental duties are those requiring citizens to respect ideals, constitution, and the institution it establishes, to promote harmony, spirit, common brotherhood amongst all the people of India, prospering different religious speaking different language, and to safeguard public property. This what non-enforceable or non-judiciable nature. This means no one can be punished in case of their violation or non-compliance any fundamental duty. Similarly, these duties are non-enforceable in nature. That is, no court can or any government body can directly enforce any of these duties on any particular citizen legally. But if the state makes law to prohibit any act or conduct violation of any of the duties, the courts would uphold the reasonable restriction on the relevant fundamental right. For instance, a person who burns our national flag in violation of the duty Article 51A can't assert it was burnt by demonstration against the government should be protected freedom of expression right. And for the enjoyment of valuable fundamental rights, firstly we need to obey our fundamental duties seriously. As a law abiding citizen, and most realize that has certain duties towards the nation to achieve objectives of 4A, that nation national integrity respect, because as someone said. Thank you for watching on video. Stay tuned to GJS. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.